Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit plastic skull heads with rivets. So here is a small plastic skull head, and on the back you'll see there's a little hole for the rivets to pop into. This is what the back and rivet is going to look like, and this should be nice and simple to do. So I have some faux leather here, and we're going to use this, a little bradawl or a pokey tool, to pop a hole into the material here. So take this, be careful, it is sharp, and push through, little twist until that spike comes through the other end, and just keep pushing until that hole is big enough for that rivet. I think about there will do. Take that backing rivet, push that through the hole like that. You'll see that pop out the top. Take the skull head, press down so it starts to make a bit of a connection. We're going to flip that upside down like this, and we're going to use our mallet to lightly tap this into place, and please be careful with it, don't go too hard. And now that is nice and secure. It's not going to come out. And you're all done.